The plans say the support structure goes right over there.
All right, let's aim for that large rock outcrop.
Keep it coming, move it to the right. All right, watch the vibrator on the left side. Watch your side, it's drifting left. All right, I got it. A little more to the right.
The structural beam needs to align precisely with this coordinate here.
And the rebar spacing matches the revision we got last week.
Yes, we verified that this morning.
A little more to the right. It's moving. It's moving. Hold it there, we're good. Watch the alignment on the left. Got it. Send the next panel up. Bring it down easy, watch the alignment. Hold it there, hold it. Okay, set it down, we are good. Lower slowly, hold it right there.
We have alignment on sector 4, ready for set down.
All right, easy now, set it down.
Easy now, bring it down slow.
Watch the clearance on the south side. The alignment on this casing looks solid, but check the welding right here.
The ultrasonic reading is clear. No defects detected on the joint.
Okay, bring it up now, slow.
Got it. How's the finish look, boss?
Almost there, just a little more on this side. Chip that loose piece near the joint. All right, I see it.
Watch your footing on the lower section. Copy that. Almost done up here.
It's locked on the target. The horizontal angle is stable.
Confirmed. I've logged the coordinates. Let's move to the next station.
That's it, hold it right there. We are clear for the generator connection.
Easy now, bring her down another 10 feet. Set it down gently, watch your clearance on the east side.
Copy that. Steadying the load.
Pull the vibrator slow.
This section is looking smooth.
Right there, hold it steady. Okay, tightening the bolts now. Cables are secured, checking the signal.
Torque is good on this one. The reading stabilized at 20 psi.
All right, let's move to the next section down there.
Bring it down easy now, watch the far side. All right, hold it there, looks good. See this data point on the shear wall? It's slightly off the baseline.
Yes, but the physical inspection confirms it's within tolerance.
All right, let's document it and proceed. The laser shows we're within tolerance on this column.
Okay, I'm logging the QC data now. We are clear here.
A little to the left, slowly now.
La compuerta funciona bien. El flujo es constante.
Sí, perfecto. Podemos cerrar el informe.
Ensure the carabiner is double locked before we move past this section.
Understood. I've updated the safety log on the tablet.
It's finally done! Look at that, boys. We built a masterpiece.